Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to change your wallpaper allows you to personalize your device and make it feel more like your own. Whether you want to set a favorite photo, a beautiful landscape, or a motivational quote as your wallpaper, changing it gives you the opportunity to refresh the look of your device and express your personality. Plus, it's a simple way to breathe new life into your device interface without making any major change. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, long press any screen on your home screen. Okay, so now you can select wallpaper and style. And here, select change wallpapers. Okay, so in this page, you will find many kind of available wallpapers here. Whether it is a feature wallpaper, gallery wallpaper, graphical wallpaper, and dynamic lock screen. Okay, so now you can select one you like it the most, and then you can click next here. Okay, so here you can see the preview of your wallpaper, and then click down at the top right corner. Okay, so now you can see that the wallpaper on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.